Mediation is an everyday language occurrence. If you're standing around with a group of friends and gossiping, you're mediating. If you're visiting a foreign city with a friend or a partner and you're looking at a city guide and you use the city guide to help you to explain to your fellow traveller options for what to do that day, you're mediating. Mediation is something that we've done for years. Yes, mediation is in the CEFR, the Common European Framework of Reference. And since 2018, with the companion volume, it's something that has come across the radar of ELT publishers, ELT exam boards, many of whom were involved in its development, but also language teachers. And that's why a lot of people are starting to talk about mediation in language teaching today. I believe passionately that the EFL classroom should allow people not to be better language users for the classroom, but to be able to use English or whichever language we're teaching out there in the real world. So if mediation is important in the real world, then of course mediation must be important in the language classroom. We've always done it, we've always taught it. But the new focus and the new awareness of mediation enables us to teach and to help students do better in activities where they're not just interacting, but they're generally mediating. Initial teacher training courses don't do as good a job as I believe they should in preparing teachers to teach mediation in the classroom. As a teacher trainer myself, I've never run a session specifically on mediation on a pre-service teacher training course. I think probably what I should have done and will do in the future is embed mediation into other activities. Short courses of 4 weeks, there's never enough time. But if we can at least make students, trainee teachers aware of mediation and how it differs from interaction, both in terms of what we do in the speaking classroom and ideally the writing classroom as well, then we will be doing a good thing for this new generation of language teachers.